parsley. Just take them off the stems. You can chop this up. Now sometimes the true method is also to just tear it with your fingers because the flavors seem to come out more. And we just add some olive oil. Again, as much or as little as one wants. Some salt. Some pepper. And then we mix it up. We mix it up. And sometimes these pieces can be sliced and diced a bit more fine, but these are always, it's always nice. So the flavors come together. You can smell the tomatoes, the garlic, the parsley, especially, and then with the olive oil. And then once your bread or your ciabatta bread is slightly toasted, we simply put the mixture on the bread, and it's ready to go. So some people sometimes ask me during the course, what are some of the essential herbs and spices or seasonings that Italians use? Essentially oregano, basil, parsley, rosemary, sage, thyme, and then other ingredients such as garlic, onion, and of course olive oil and salt and pepper. So I enjoy teaching Taste of Italy very much. I enjoy introducing these various Italian foods to the participants, to the students, and they leave appreciating a taste of Italy and appreciating Italian food and culture.